نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today I want to talk about the fear of Allah. Now in Islam we have two motives, we have two motivations for us to do good. We have Jahannam, the fear of Allah, the fear of Allah's punishment, which is pushing us away, and Jannah, the hope of Jannah and the hope of Allah's salvation and the hope of His mercy, which is pulling us. So we have two motives in Islam. Now for us to take the best advantage out of these two motives, we should learn about both sides. We learn about Jannah very frequently, but it's important upon us that we learn about the adhab and about fearing Allah Azza wa Jal too. Now Allah Azza wa Jal says in Surah At-Tawbah, chapter 9, verse 119, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu attaqullah. O you who believe, fear Allah. So this is our baseline, where Allah is commanding us. He is telling us, O you who believe, fear Allah. Have fear in Him in your heart. Now how do we have fear of Him? We learn about that which He has said is the punishment for those who do wrong and those who disbelieve. An example is Allah says in Surah Safat, chapter 37, verses 62 to 68, that Allah mentions Ash-Shajrat al-Zaqum, the tree of Zaqum, the tree in Jahannam which the kuffar and the Jahannamis will eat from. That they will be so hungry and they will be so thirsty that they will drink from boiling water and fill their stomachs with said boiling water. And Allah gives the example in Surah Al-Waqiyah that they will drink from this water as if they were thirsty camels. And they are drinking in Jahannam, boiling water from Jahannam, eating from Az-Zaqum, which Allah describes as the fruits of Az-Zaqum are like the heads of the shayateen. I ask Allah to protect us from this. Now Allah says in Surah Nisa, chapter 4, verse 56, that those who disbelieve, كُلَّمَا نَضِجَتْ جُلُودُهُمْ, every time that their skin boils off, their skin is burned off, we will give them a new skin, we will give them a new body so that they may taste the punishment again. Now Allah says, when He describes Himself in chapter 8 verse 13 and chapter 3 verse 19, where Allah says, إِنَّ اللَّهَ شَدِيدُ الْعِقَابِ, and He says, إِنَّ اللَّهَ سَرِيعُ الْحِسَابِ. Indeed, Allah is the most just, that He is swift in punishment and He is severe in punishment. So it is not for us to think that we can commit any sins that we will and that we can ask Allah for tawbah later. We have no guarantee. Allah has not promised us tomorrow. That's why Allah says, Inna Allah sari'ul hisab. He is swift in punishment. We do not know that maybe we commit a sin, we commit shirk or anything like this, and right after that Allah takes us away from this world. We have no guarantee of life, we have no guarantee of tawbah. So it is imperative upon us as Muslims to fear Allah as He commanded us to do so. I ask Allah to grant us taqwa, to allow us to live a life on taqwa, fearing Him Azza wa Jal. Wa akhiru da'wana an alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.